Bless up everybody. Bless up with a new video. Me see a look thing we are going in the media with this $5.9 million thing for one little small house where Andrew and him team built for this disabled person, and them say a 5.9 million for build the house, which me find that very odd, find that very sad to all them really want to trick the people them. Me have to say it, me can't say it in a big word. I talk to the poor people them where they in our country. I don't use a big word. You understand? Because the poor people them a vote, you know. A vote, they may not say rich people not vote and them think that about poor people, and them may talk to. Because if rich people them alone vote, and rich people them not vote because they don't give a damn for politics. Because them done can't send them school, them kids got private school and everything. You get to me I say? Don't have them business and them not deal with politics. A poor people, politicians are trick. Forget them vote. You get to me I say? So, Andrew Wallace and him team for write in a report that the house costs $5.9 million, that have one bedroom there. Me not know why I step on it, but to all that look family, they had me one a pit. I don't know if it's a pit or something. Them call it another name because it's a new thing where them do. It's a new thing where them do in the scheme. Most them build two small one soak away and one we keep the waste. I don't remember the right name for it. Take it to me and say. And a tank. Yeah, because the tank of the there. So them say that costs $5.9 million. Do the people really believe that? Me, I don't believe that. That's just bull crap. You understand? Andrew is your team. If I even Peter Phillips and him team, me not depend on side with the politics. If I even Peter Phillips and him team do this, we still would have bash them because I lie them a tell. That rate 5.5 million, brother. That the small house that reach 5.5 million, 5.9 million. If you make it from what they did, because I see the picture of the place this day was really not looking good. It's a good deed them do for the disabled person. Build it up and make it look nice, but don't come tell lies. Say the cost for the build the thing is 5.9 million. Don't do that, man. If you build a pit like that, it costs 200,000. If you build it and pack it, more even less, because it's not like you are dig the big manhole. You understand? 200,000 can't do that. You understand? 200,000 Jamaican dollar can do that, yo. So Andrew Wallace, me not understand what kind of statement them you not make with people taxpayer money. And the contractor will bill it. The man will issue the work. The MP or the person in your cabinet who issue that work to that contractor. Something go on this, even if you don't know about it, Andrew, you need to check that, because you look stupid, Andrew. You look stupid. It's all over the internet. That work, brother. That's a foolish family, man. That can't work, family. You get what I say? 5.9 million. Make one bedroom, one small living room, one veranda, and a ramp. Not even step, because step can't do that, because if a disabled person go in on a wheelchair, it have to, then they did it the right way. They have to push up the wheelchair. You understand? So me not understand that, brother. That's a foolishness. What kind of thing that you not put out in the public? About $5.9 million to build that there small house. And if you tell me say you wanna buy the land, give the person, then yeah, me coulda say yeah, land expensive nowadays. You understand? I coulda say yeah, land expensive. You know, probably around roadside commercial land. It probably will go in other region. But 5.5 million, where the people that have their land already, Andrew. Come on, man. Andrew, man, stop make people take you for fool, man. I think, so when time you win the election, big man thing. I think, and them say you a young you. I think say you did that. Are you one of the worst? I say come out, big man thing, Big man thing. You're one of the worst. I say come out, you disrespect Michael Manley. I talk about Manley. People are paid daily for Manley. And City have to apologize and talk about you respect Manley. What make you never come out and say that? You see, you play politics, brother. Stop playing politics, Mr. Andrew, honest. Do the right thing, brother. Me see your next thing. Yeah, so. Take my phone and look on it. You spend $1 billion Jamaican dollar spent on this. The Jamaican government has acquired six I don't know that word. Tails Bushmaster protected vehicle for its military. The vehicle includes 3 troops carriers and 3 ambulance version, which now brings the army fleet to 18. See it? Come like Andrew prepare for massive. You prepare for something, brother. Which me not know what is you prepare for, because me not see this way you need this a 50 caliber for do. You not fight Cuba. Brother. You go with war with Cuba and the surrounding Caribbean countries, brother. What you need this for? What you need this for? We don't need this in our country. What is for? We need jobs, brother. We need factory. A foolish them, Andrew, honest, man. What kind of foolish them, man? You spend $1 billion pound Bushmaster protective vehicles for our military. Oh God, man. Time for Jamaica people wise up, man. Stop make these politicians take on for fool, Because we can't see through this, brother. $1 billion you use upgrade army with armored vehicles. What the army need armored vehicles for? The few look a gunman never run up and down and carry 16. And I like say you have militia group in Jamaica where fight the government. You don't have them people there, brother. Away I go with war with Cuba, brother. I can't understand this family. You not do nothing for the government, for the poor people, them, brother. You just oppress the people, them. You come like a little puppet, brother, because we know what I want. Some people may not know what I want. This is measures put in place for keep down black people. You understand? We can't do nothing good in our country. People they can't have a party. We can't have a party. We can't go out. You win this election, brother. 3 years out of bombard sitting there, Police state, a police state, Jamaica turning, Be a curfew, everywhere lockdown, Uptown place no lockdown, but then I get to lockdown. I went no shot, no fire. lockdown. If people them a keep nothing in the street, a pay police, and the police them a charge the promoter them a come and a drink, and the police them a charge them for keep it on. And if a next police come, you have to call him, and the next police call the next police will come there and tell them, oh yeah man, me get sit in front of them, and if the other police will did they say oh they need a drink, the promoter have to pull out something same way. Me see them thing there. Them thing they are going in a Jamaica, brother. We don't know fix them thing them, but you know want come antagonize get to people who don't look of foolishness. You understand? Antagonize Jamaican people, no foolishness measures wanna put in place. But curfew. Me see you are sent for you. Me see you are you disrespect you because you come with the COVID-19. You are sent for the youth like a personal thing. You are the Prime Minister, brother. Freedom of speech, brother. You are sent for people. And your wife, you are listen to, you know. And somebody else, you know. Brother, look into where you are, the brother, and stop doing the foolishness, man. You are the government for the country, brother. Stop the foolish, man. Stop oppress people, brother. Foolish you are doing, and Jones. Me not understand what you are doing. Can't deal with the people them, so brother. I don't want the people them are gonna look into it and say your politics thing. Nah, bro. People are run go vote and I go. Yo, John, know this sickening, man. Yo, we come if you talk about it, but many you told me want to get down, you know, it gets sick, brother. I even want to talk about it. Yo, I just want to come off and just kiss me teeth right now. I tell you, because people them now wise up, yo. You see me? Some look a crab in a barrel style and some Willie Lynn syndrome, yo. The slave master colonized Jamaica and colonized all of Africa and all of you know see what going around the place. You know see in America and mash up. I turn black people in some look of fool people, you know. With all this Black Lives Matter thing, you know. We don't support no Black Lives Matter thing. Because with them organization the white man create the organization, them think they have to gay and batty boy. Them the Black Lives Matter, you see same in Chicago, black man a kill off them one another. You think them are going there and tell you them not kill off them one another. That's all like a foolish one. Yo, go in, man. Yo, people, when you tell me what you think in the comment section, you know. Just like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I tell you, say, yo, it on as a rapper crap I say, struggle is real, brother. It's real, man. It's really real out there, man, in the field, man. And the poor people, them, I feel it, yo. And that, me sorry for the poor people, them. The poor, them, I feel it, and they get to you, them, but the police, them, I kill off, and Andrew, nah, attack the bigger head, them, in the uniform. Sure, no star people. Like, share, and comment here, man. And thank you for listening to me, man. Open and listen to me, you know. Because me there for open up my eyes for the see what I'm going, you know. You get to me and say, yeah, have a blessed time here, people. Bless up.